Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day today. If you're new here, hi, I'm Talia, and I don't normally sound like this. My voice is gone, so I'm really sorry if you can't understand me throughout this video. I'm hoping that it won't be so bad. But today I wanted to do the first of my Christmas looks for this year. And please don't forget, if you enjoy this video, to please leave a big like down below and subscribe if you'd like to. Okay, without any further ado, let's get straight on with the video. Okay guys, so as you can hear, my voice is broke and I'm really poorly today, but I didn't want to not film because Christmas is so close. I wanted to get these looks done for you, and today was the only day that I could film. So I've got my honey and lemon tea with me, and hopefully we can just get through this. I really hope that it doesn't annoy you too much. I'll try not to talk too much through this video. But today I'm working with two palettes. So the two palettes that I'm going to use today are two Revolution Forever Flawless palettes. I've got the Forever Flawless Fire palette and the Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. So we're just going to get straight into the look. I have already primed my eyes and filled in my eyebrows. And I'm first going to go in with the Revolution Fire palette, and I'm going to take the shade Power. And I'm just taking that on a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to put that all over my crease up to my brow. And then when I get to the end, I'm just going to flick it out over here. Then taking a smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Red Hot, and I'm just going to take that just below where I put the Power shade. Same again when I get to the end, I'm just going to flick it out. It doesn't matter if it's really messy over on the edge of the eye, because we're going to clean that up with the concealer anyway. Okay, now I'm going to cut crease, and to do this I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Ultimate Radiant Under Eye Concealer in the shade C1. I'm just going to take a really small flat brush, and then I'm just going to cut my crease as I normally would. But when I get to the end here, I'm going to follow the line of the makeup and I'm going to flick it out. Now, going in with the Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette, I'm going to take the shade Cockatoo, which is just a nice matte white shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the cut crease to set it. Okay, now guys, I'm going to add a wing to this look. I'm going to use the Essence 24 Ever Ink Liner in Intense Black. Now I'm going to use the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in number 3 Funk, and I'm going to put that over the crease, and I'm going to carry it all the way out to where we left it. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some mascara. I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Mascara today. Okay guys, so I've just primed my face, and now for foundation I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 105. And for concealer today, I'm going back in with the Revolution Pro Ultimate Radiant Under Eye Concealer in the shade C1. And then I'm going to settle that using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Okay guys, going back in now with the Birds of Paradise palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Jungle, and I'm going to put that at my lower lash line. And taking the shade Budgie, I'm going to use that to smoke out the lower lash line. And because I don't know where my white eye pencil's gone, I'm going to go in with the Collection Fast Stroke Eyeliner in white. I'm going to put that on my waterline. And of course, for a Christmas look, we need a red lip. So I'm going to go in with the MUA Lux Velvet Lip Lacquer in the shade Zest. I want to darken that up a little bit, so I'm going to go in with the MUA Velvet Matte Long Wear Liquid Lip in the shade Firecracker. And for highlighter today, I'm going to use the Girls for Girls Unicorn Lights highlighter. That is beautiful, wow. And I'm just going to put some of that in my inner corners as well. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, despite my voice sounding like this. If you did, then please show your support by leaving a big thumbs up down below and subscribing to my channel. I really enjoy filming these videos, and the support you show will mean the absolute world to me. So I'm going to wrap it up now before my voice goes completely. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day today. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully with my voice back. Bye guys.